everyone, welcome back to another video that is supporting you with your home learning. This week we are going to continue being authors and we are going to continue to look at our class story, 10 things to help our world. Okay, so well done to all those children who completed their learning last week. It was lovely to see all your amazing creative ideas of how you think we could save our world. And today we're going to begin by reading a little bit more of our story before moving on to our author's tasks for the rest of this week. So we know the first few ways was switching off the light was the first one. And we know that turning off the tap was the next one. And we also know about picking up litter. So I'm going to carry on reading a little bit more of more ways to help our world. So the next one says, I shall. The season is winter and it says, I shall feed the birds in the winter. Feeding them helps them get ready for nesting in the spring. Now I'm actually going to stop there. I'm only going to read that one more page because this links really nicely to your task for this week. So I'm going to stop there. There are lots more ways that we will come to next week, but I'm going to stop there for now. So feeding the birds in the winter. So that links nicely to your WALT this week, which is to write a set of instructions. So what I would like you to do this week is write a set of instructions, which links really nicely to helping the birds, not just in the winter, but all year round. So what are instructions? So instructions are written for somebody who needs to know how to do something. So we've written instructions lots when we've been in school all together. And what they do is they help you understand steps and how to do something. So what are instructions used for? Why do we use them? So it might be how to bake a cake. So if you've baked a cake at home, you might have had to follow some instructions of how to do that. How to play a game. If you have a board game, what do? When you open the box, you always look for the instructions. So you look to see how you play the game or how to make a pumpkin. So how do we write a set of instructions? So this is really important. What do you need in there? So it's our success criteria. What do you need? So you need to use a title, just like a story, you need a title. So it might be how to bake a cake. And subheadings. So that splits up your instructions. Be bossy. What do I always say? We always play that game, don't we? Be bossy. For example, you wouldn't say, oh, please, do you mind? Maybe, could you water the soil? You would say, water the soil. The third one is use time conjunctions. So you could say first, you need to do this. Second, you need to do, and third, etc., etc. And the fourth one is use clear descriptions. So you don't need to write lots and lots. You just need to be very precise and exact with what you're writing. So an example could be, you've all been planting seeds. This is an example of instructions. So you can have over here what you need. So all the things you need down here. So a small pot, soil, seeds, watering can and water. And what you do. So this is what I mean by subheadings. So you've got your title and your subheadings. And then you've got your steps of how you're going to do that. If you want to be amazing, you could write a top tip as well. So this week, your challenge is to write a set of instructions to make a bird feeder. Now, some of you have already made a bird feeder because I know Mr. Kinnear has done a video of how to do that, so you could watch that to help you. But I thought it would be really nice for you to make a pine cone feeder because these are quite good at this time of year when it's getting warmer. So I thought you could write some instructions. So this is a waggle, what a good one looks like. And these are your tasks for this week. So number one today is to write the title and the equipment you will need to make your bird feeder. So you can write the title and what you will need. Then Tuesday, Wednesday and Thursday, you can write one section each. So one step each. So step 1 on Tuesday, step 2 on Wednesday, step 3 on Thursday. So break it up. And on Friday, I want you to use your instructions to make your very own bird feeder. Now, if you've already made a bird feeder, then you could do it about something else. That's absolutely fine. You don't have to do it about a bird feeder. But I thought it would be nice because our story links really nicely to helping the birds, and we love the birds right now, hearing them singing outside. So I thought it would be lovely for you to do this and write some instructions to go with it. So those are your tasks for this week as authors. Please upload photos to the Year 1 Padlet with your instructions that you have written, as I would love to see them. And keep working hard. Well done, Year 1, and I will see you next week for another video. Bye!